Miss Alice Go, how old are you now?
38 years old po.
38. 38. When was the first entry of a certain Go Waping in the country? That is not allegation. That is the fact. I'm just saying that Alice Go renewed his passport March 7. And Go Waping last travel was also 2011 of March. Biglang nawala. That's spying po. That is spionage. That's the dictum of being a spy. Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi sa bansa mo if your country masunog po doon sa mga pinagagawa mo doon po sa isang bansa outside of your country. Bakit hindi ka, instead of going to Malaysia, backdoor, then nag-Indonesia, Singapore, blah, 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 bakit hindi ka umuwi sa tatay mo sa China?
Your Honor, for that question po, may security concern po na related. I refuse to answer po.
When was the first time that you acquire a Filipino passport? The first time?
Your Honor, hindi ko po maalala ngayon. Just have to check yung first passport ko po. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi ko po maalala nung year po.
Hindi mo maalala yung year?
I think I have four Filipino passport na nakapag-renew ng 3 or 4 times. Pero I just have to check po.
BID. Do you have a record? Okay, please. Okay, pwede si BID. When was Alice Go acquiring her Filipino passport?
It's not exactly she acquired it, Your Honor. Our record is when she first used it. So she first used her Philippine passport on April 22, 2008. The number of the Philippine passport is RR0401472.
So,
That's a departure, Your Honor.
2008.
Yes, Your Honor.
So this is the first departure. That was,
Under this particular name, under the name Alice Go, Your
yeah,
Honor.
Alice Go. Okay. Do you have a records with regards to the first issuance of passport for Miss Alice Go?
Good evening, Honorable Chair. Unfortunately, we could not retrieve the date when the first
Why?
passport was issued. It was no longer in our records.
The idea may record the first travel niya, tapos kayo DFA, wala kayong record?
We do have the passports issued after that, sir.
Yung renewal,
Yes, sir.
when was that?
There were renewals in 2011, 2015, and 2020, sir.
2011,
2015 and 2020, sir.
Okay. So, in short, before 2008, April, may passport na siya because that was the first travel of Miss Alice Go.
Yes, sir. I also confirmed the issuance of the passport number that was earlier stated
Okay.
from our
Anyway.
from the BI.
Miss Alice Go, how old are you now?
38 years old po.
38. 38. When was the first entry of a certain Go Waping in the country? Is it di ba, January ata, 2003? Tama ba?
Ay, wait. The first entry of Gua Waping with birthday August 31, 1990 and Chinese passport number 5679410 was on January 12, 2003, Your Honor.
So, January 3, 2003.
January 12, 2003.
January 12, 2003.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung, date of birth niya?
The date of birth of the Gua Haoping in this particular case, Your Honor, is 31 August 1990.
1990.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, when was may travel record ba kayo ng Go Waping? Since 2003?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung first, di ba pumasok siya in the Philippines?
Yes, Your Honor.
As what? Visit.
The first entry of the Gua Waping was, as I've said, in January 12, 2003, Your Honor.
Ano bang tourist?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the next,
Actually, it isn't indicated here, Your Honor.
anyway, from the Philippines, yung first na paglabas niya.
She left the country on her first departure as Gua Waping was on December 21, 2006, Your Honor.
2006. So, Go Waping stays in the country for 3 years.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor. Yes, Your
Eh,
Honor.
anong visa niya o passport niya?
Apparently, Your Honor, during that period, she was able to get an SIRV, a Special Investors Visa, the one issued by the Board of Investments of the Department of Trade and Industry.
Okay. So 2006 siya lumabas ng bansa. Kailan siya bumalik?
She returned on January 19, 2007, and during this particular time, her status was that of an SIRV, Your Honor.
So 2007.
Yes, Your Honor.
Less than a year, bumalik siya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ang next na travel ni Go Waping, palabas ng bansa.
So, after that arrival on January 19, Mr. Chair, she again left on January 4, 2008.
2008, left the country.
That is correct, sir.
Okay. Then, entry.
Entry is January 28, 2008.
Ang paglabas niya is 2008. Di ba?
Yes, sir. January 24, 2008. And then she arrived on January 29, 2008, Your Honor.
So, few days lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, same 2008 ang pagbalik.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pabalik-balik lang si Go Waping, no? After that, may travel pa ba palabas?
Yes, Your Honor. The next departure was on May 15, 2008. And she returned on May 17, 2008.
Mas matagal siya dito kaysa travel niya palabas. Bumabalik ka agad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ang pinakalas na travel ni Go Waping, para mabilis na lang po.
The last travel, she used passport number G3471441 was on March 22, 2011, Mr. Chair.
2011, March.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's during her arrival in the country.
DFA, when was the renewal of Miss Alice Go doon po sa 2011? Yung first renewal. Huwag ka muna umalis, DFA. Umupo ka nga. Para mabilis tayo. Specific date and month. 2011.
It was renewed on the 7th of March, sir, 2011.
2nd of March.
The 7th, sir. March 7, 2011.
March 7. March renewal.
Yes, sir.
March of 2011, that was the last time that Alice Go Waping enters the country. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong date?
March 22, 2011.
So March 22, a matter of 15 days. After that, wala na pong travel record.
After that, Your Honor, we don't have any more travel of record of what
So
happened.
hindi na nakalabas ng bansa si Go Waping.
Yes, Your Honor.
So baka sumakay sa yate.
That would be possible, Your Honor.
Miss Alice Go, hindi na pa siya lumabas, hindi na nakita, may Alice Go na passport. What can you say about it?
For that allegation po, Your Honor, I refuse
That is
to
not an allegation. That is the fact. I'm just saying that Alice Go renewed his passport March 7. And Go Waping last travel was also 2011 of March. Biglang nawala.
It wasn't indicated here, Your Honor. During her last trip in 2011, the destination was not indicated here, which is just normal during that time, Your Honor, because the ports were not encoded during that time.
But of course, DFA siguro may record kayo. Tama? Kasi tinatatakan yun, di ba? Di ba paglabas mo dito sa pagpasok mo doon sa country of entry, may tatak, di ba? Paglabas mo doon, may tatak din. Pagpasok mo dito, tatakan din, di ba?
We defer to the BI, sir. As
Ito
to the
yung
record.
passport, kasi wala nga silang record, di ba? Tama?
Yes, sir, but if they renew the passport, they keep the passport kasi. So, we don't keep the
Oh,
records
yun ang problema,
of the outside
Mr. Chairman.
travel, sir.
That's why yung passport law, dapat ayusin natin yon. We have to amend that. Kasi hindi natin matrace. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, that's why kailangan po talaga na i-amend natin yung passport law. Ngayon, nakita na natin, may problema tayo. Di ba? Tracing the passport of Miss Alice Go and Miss Go Waping. Now, Miss Go Waping o Alice Go, Alice Go, during the investigation sa Senate, saka dito, travel mo from the Philippines, sumakay kayo sa yate.
Opo, Your Honor. Your Honor, regarding po doon, I have immigration cases na rin po.
Hindi, tinatanong lang kita.
Opo.
That is not incriminating. What is incriminating na sinabi mo na yan doon? Sa hearing, nire-review ko lang. Now, why Miss Alice Go? Inamin mo tatay mo Inchik, bakit hindi ka, instead of going to Malaysia, backdoor, then nag-Indonesia, Singapore, blah, 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 bakit hindi ka umuwi sa tatay mo sa China?
Your Honor, for that question po, may security concern po na related. I refuse to answer po.
Ayan ka naman, security related. Tatay mo yung pupuntahan mo, security related.
Your Honor, hindi po yung tatay ko ang...
Hindi, ang question ko, why hindi ka bumalik sa tatay mo? Di ba, instead of going to Malaysia, Indonesia, alam mo naman may kaso ka dito, naharapin. Di ba? Bakit hindi ka umuwi sa China and seek refuge to your father?
Your Honor, may related po na security concern.
Ano yun ang related security, Miss Alice Go? Ano yun?
Yung tao po nagpaalis po sa akin, Your Honor.
Ayan na naman tayo. Yung taong nagpaalis sa'yo, Inchik.
Yes po, Your
Senes?
Honor.
So, mas malakas ba yung taong yun kisa sa tatay mo?
For the security concern po, Your Honor, I refuse to answer po.
Oh, you refuse to answer because you have already cited in contempt in this committee. Hindi mo na invoke yung yung self-incriminating kasi hindi naman incriminating yun, eh. Di ba? Tama? Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. I do believe that even the security sector, especially the government agency involved in internal security, nakaintindihan po natin why Miss Alice Go or Go Waping, instead of going to China and seek refuge to his father, hindi siya umuwi doon kasi alam na po natin, alam ng mga sa security sector natin na yun yung orientation. Yun po, never go back to your country if your country will be incriminated in the cases that being filed to you in other countries. That's spying po, that is espionage. That's the dictum of being a spy. Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi sa bansa mo if your country masunog po doon sa mga pinagagawa mo doon po sa isang bansa outside of your country. Sinasabi ko nga, yun yung orientation. Tingnan mo si Xi. Why? Ayaw niya pa-deport. Kasi, pag pinadeport siya, alam niya ang mangyayari sa kanya doon. Di ba? Miss Alice Go?
Your Honor, hindi po ako agree.
Sorry?
Your Honor, I don't agree po.
You don't agree?
Opo, in the first place po, Your Honor.
No. I'm not saying you don't agree with my theory. I'm not referring to you. Napaka-defensive mo. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, yung dictum doon ba sa mga spy at in relation to espionage, yun po ang orientation ng mga spy. I'm telling you that you're a spy. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, based on the records and everything, why instead of going and seek refuge to China, in which that is the mother country of your father, hindi ka pumunta at umuwi doon dahil po, just like what happened with Mr. Xi and all other spy in the whole world na nasunog. Kaysa masunog yung bansa nila, mas mabuti pang masunog na lang sila. And they will face consequences in that foreign country.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I just wanted to put together a few of the documents that were previously presented in this committee as well as in the Senate hearings with regard to the identity of a certain Go Huaping. So, Mr. Chair, here in the first slide, this was sourced from the Bureau of Immigration. This is the list of travel records for Go Huaping. And here on this slide, I wanted to highlight here the date of birth that's indicated on the list of travel records, which is the date of birth repeatedly mentioned in this hearing, which is August 31, 1990. Mr. Chair, I would like to quickly pause and ask Ms. Alice Go, do you still categorically deny that you are the Go Huaping in question with this particular information?
Your Honor, regarding citizenship, I invoke my right against self-incrimination because of the cases filed against me in the courts.
Mr. Chair, with that response, as you can see here, the status as highlighted by Representative Paduano is under the SIRV, so which is the Special Investor Residence Visa. So on the next slide, here we see the SIRV of the said personality, Go Huaping, and these were the documents presented by Senator Win Gatchalian during the Senate hearing last June. And here we would highlight as well that this person has the same date of birth, which is August 31, 1990. So it appears based on the documents of the Bureau of Immigration and the Board of Investments that the Go Huaping in question is the same person. And as we can see here, the ID picture resembles very much the Miss Alice Guo that is in front of us, Mr. Chair. So again, Mr. Chair, let me pause and ask Miss Alice Guo, do you still deny that you are the Go Huaping featured in this photo?
Your Honor, regarding the citizenship po, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
With that, Mr. Chair, I will move to my next slide. This, Mr. Chair, was the dossier that was previously presented by Representative Chino Almario in the Al Jazeera documentary. And in this dossier, Mr. Chair, this is allegedly the dossier for this Go Huaping. So we have here a Chinese translator, Mr. Chair. If I may, Ms. Batay, may I request you to please translate this date or these numbers that's featured inside the box.
Okay, so what's inside the box? First, on the first two words, that means 性别, or the gender, and the next word is 女, or girl, and then the next set of words, 4 words, 民族, that means racial ancestry. So it says here that it's Hanzu, or the Han, group of people, or it's the typical term for the Chinese in China. And the next level, or the next line, is 出生日期, or the birth date. Okay, the birth date is 1990年, 1990, 8月, August 31. Yeah, 8月31日.
Thank you very much, Ms. Batay. Given that I don't speak Chinese, Mr. Chair, I relied on Google Lens to translate this page for me. So on this next slide, just to verify and validate what Ms. Batay mentioned, Comsec, please show the next slide. So here, translated by Google Lens, very much verifies the translation shared by Ms. Batay. And here we can see that the date of birth of the Go Huaping featured in the documentary, who is allegedly a Chinese spy, also matches that of the Go Huaping on record in our Bureau of Immigration documents and Board of Investment. So, Mr. Chair, kanina po, nung tinanong po ni Congressman Almario, si Ms. Alice Guo, kung siya po ba yung tao na nandoon sa dossier na sinasabi na Chinese spy, sinabi niya po na hindi. So Mr. Chair, again, for the third time in my interpellation, I will go back to Ms. Alice Guo and again ask, Ms. Alice Guo, are you the woman in this photo?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, yun lang po. 3 times during my interpellation, Mr. Chair, 3 beses po na sinabi ni Ms. Alice Guo, itinanggi niya na siya po ang babae na nasa litrato, pero nakita naman po natin na yung babae po na nandun sa aking pangalawang slide na nasa ID picture na SIRV ay napakalapit po sa itsura ng babae na nasa litrato po doon sa dossier na sinasabi na Chinese spy. At napakalapit din po sa lahat po ng mga nadidito ngayong gabi. Nakikita naman po natin na ang Miss Alice Guo na nasa harapan natin ay kamukhang-kamukha po yung nasa 2 litrato na ating pong ipresenta. So, Mr. Chair, yun lang po. I just wanted to add a little bit more beef doon po sa ating pong assertion na mukha pong yung babae po na tinutukoy doon po sa dokumentaryo na Chinese spy po ay pareho doon po sa Go Huaping na kini-question po natin sa ating mga nakaraang pagtalakay. Maraming salamat po.